Hey guys, it's Kobe's here. I just saw this. As I was walking down the hall, I saw my guinea pig Mars eating dog food. This is not normal, but he likes eating it for some reason. I have no idea why. My two other ones don't like it, but he's the only pig that does. That he will eat it. Right. And that's a yes on his part. He will eat dog food. I know you're not supposed to give him that, but he just likes it. So, he eats actually like a dog, so. Where is he eating your food? Is he eating your food? Huh? I don't think he really cares. So, yeah. That's pretty much what's going on. Because he likes to run around in the house as well. Oh, look at the cat out. All right. Shot it. There, go outside, Jess. You stay. But I don't think this is normal for a guinea pig to eat cat food. So. That's all I really wanted to show you guys, really, so.